'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby.
Ikaw ang aking payapa, ang kalmado kong hangin, at ilaw ko sa dilim. Kimays. Ay.
Going the distance, don't need a reason. A couple of people with mutual feelings. I could be something that you could believe in. 'Cause I'm never down when I'm down with you. 'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. It's all in the way you move. It's not complicated. It's not complicated. This feeling is hopeful. This feeling is
Sobrang Latina. Parang pre-acting nyo yan. Parang totoo yan.
it's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. It's all in the way you move. 'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? Not a day goes by.
I've known you as a cute teenager, a schoolmate, a Facebook friend, and a memory of a simpler time. I've felt what it's like to have a crush on you, and now I get to love you completely and entirely.
Could never let go.
Huwag kayong mag-cry.
I wouldn't trade those Saturday mornings. Kids running wild, glows up to the ceiling.
Sino mag-aakala na our conversation about pork barrel would turn to forever? The moment pa lang na chinat mo ako, napangiti mo na ako. Siguro, napugian ka talaga sa akin. Hindi, joke lang.
Sleep, hoping they don't get older. I would never trade this for anything. No, not anything. Feels like yesterday we were just two kids falling into a love we never knew. Was it real or was it magic? I don't think
Loving you is no longer just a feeling. It's my choice every single day. I'm so happy and grateful that we've come to this moment, a moment graced by God's blessing.
let go. Never let you go. I wouldn't trade those Saturday morning. Kids running wild, close up to the ceiling.
Thankful ako kay God dahil ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Dahil ikaw palagi ang nag-push sa akin para mag-grow. Hindi ko ma-imagine na ikakasal na tayo ngayon. Na dati ay wala pa talaga sa isip ko. But God is always at the right time.
They don't get older. I would never trade this for anything. No, not anything.
Ako, first time ko yan.
It's the moment.
Keeping your relationship in step with Christ's righteousness and having the peace of God with you, due to your personal relationship with Christ, and your relationship will last for a lifelong time as you both keep your covenant to God and to each other by His grace and through His love.
You're the song in my
Hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili sa iyo dahil pinaramdam mo sa akin ang tunay na pagmamahal, kilig, saya at syempre yung inis. Ayan.
'Cause there's nothing that I wouldn't do.
Thank you for loving me exactly as I am, with all my flaws and quirks, and for letting me love you the same way. Thank you for walking through life with me, not ahead of me, not behind me, but always right beside me. Thank you for always choosing me.
That I wouldn't do for you. Look, the moment is now.
Being with you is a blessing with God dahil namulat ako na hindi lang pala kain, tulog ang buhay, but to have a goal in life with you. I promise na ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw dahil love is not always a feeling na puro tawa, kilig or saya, but it's a commitment.
Rise. You're the one that keeps pulling me in and holding me close, keeping me here in the light. 'Cause there's nothing that I wouldn't do. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. So I'll hold on to every word. I won't forget the day I learned that there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you.
You are my happy place, my favorite person to laugh with. Ang kasama ko sa food trip at kalokohan. My one tell when I hear a juicy secret. And dinner date I want every night forever. From the boy you once were to the man you've grown into. And every version of you I haven't met yet. I will always love you.
I wouldn't do every second, every moment. There's nothing, no, nothing that I wouldn't do. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. There's nothing that I wouldn't do.
Sabay nating tuparin ang mga pangarap natin with our God, our Savior and Provider. Today, I give you my heart and commitment. I love you, God.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do.